Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to be using just I'm going to use settings for this. There we go. So once it's open and visible on the screen, press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a simple click, and if you're doing this for the first time, it will give you this little panel at the bottom and go over each toggle. So we have long screenshot, which will allow you to move the page down and capture more of the content, not just what the screen sees, but also what's below the screen. Then we have edit, which simply allows you to edit, share, so you can send it to people, and delete it if you captured it by mistake, as an example. So I'm going to quickly go over the long screenshot because it's one of the more interesting ones. Now for some reason it just disappeared. So let's do that again. So once you tap on it, it will scroll down a little bit and reappear, and you'll have to kind of keep pressing it. It's not the best way to do it, at least not the way that ASUS did, but as you can see, you can keep on capturing until it's basically all the way down and you can not do it anymore. Now, once you have captured that screenshot, you can find it in your photo gallery right over here. And there we go. So there's the long screenshot, and then there's the normal screenshot. And that is how you capture basically both of them. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.